Today we're going to be trying to revive the 280Z. If you've been a fan of the channel for a while, then you know this Datsun has given me problems pretty much ever since I bought it. Most of that has to do with the engine, and as you can see, the hood is off. I've got a brand new engine right here to put in, and we're gonna try to get this car back up and going. So basically, long story short, what happened was the previous owner removed the heater core, and instead of reconnecting the coolant loop from the back to the front of the engine, he just capped it off, which means it overheated the rings in the rear, making this engine pretty much need a full rebuild. And I decided that instead of having this car down for any longer, I would buy another Datsun engine and put it into the car. So let's go ahead, see if we can get this engine in the car. First step is we gotta get this one out. So let's get going. Yeah. Oh God, oh. Progress update. The reason why I'm talking to the camera right now, I've got most everything kind of taken apart so that this engine can be pulled. The only thing that I haven't taken off yet is the trans. Here is what the engine bay looks like. As you can see, this engine does not look very good at all, as opposed to this guy that I spent multiple weeks redoing and making look beautiful and amazing. So that's kind of where we're at with it. This one looks amazing. This one not so much. This guy's coming out. I think I've got it fully ready to come out, except the starter and the stuff that hooks to the transmission. So we're about to find that out. While I'm in there, I'm also going to upgrade the motor mounts. It's kind of just right there, and I also might consider switching to this brand new subframe that I have. There's really no reason to do that other than when I bought that car, it came with a bunch of already refinished suspension pieces, and that is one of them. So I figure while I'm in here, I know that's a terrible thing. While you're in there, might as well do it. That is a slippery slope, but I figure I'm going to limit myself to only doing that while I'm in there, and then hopefully we'll have not only a nice new engine, we'll have a nice new subframe, and it should look somewhat nice. It's going to be hilarious, though, because it will be the nicest part of this car. Like, everything else is rusting. We've got, like, rust on, like, surface rust all the way here. It's not terrible. I might hit that with, like, a rust encapsulator for now until I can come back and paint the whole engine bay. But, yeah, it's not exactly the prettiest engine bay. I do think that is really funny, though. It's going to have a really nice, pristine engine, a really nice subframe, and then the engine bay is just going to look like garbage. I think there is some humor and whatever to that, whatever you want to call it. Eventually, I will paint this engine bay. Not doing it today. I just want to drive my car. So I'm going to finish disconnecting some stuff, and when Logan gets here, we will pull this engine and hopefully maybe put the new one in. I really don't know. So we'll find out. We'll see how I'm feeling. We might come back another day. It'll be in this video, don't worry. But we physically might come back another day and do it. So anyway, that's your update. I'll get back with you here soon.
Like you can hold the mallet steady?
Yeah, it's on top of the bench.
Do it.
What would happen if I were to like drop it?
Datsun 280z.
Flywheel? Yeah, I got one lined up. I got the other one lined up.
Okay, so we finally got the transmission connected to the engine. We ran into a few issues with that. One was the pilot bearing just wasn't lining up properly. We did just end up filing down, like chamfering the end of that pilot bearing to actually get everything in. And now everything lines up properly. It's all torqued down to spec, and we are ready to finally put this engine in. One thing you will notice is even though I re-cerakoted this entire engine, the valve cover is the old valve cover. Reason is as you can see, this chain is rubbing right here. Just don't want that damaged. We'll switch it back out once we get it in the car. I've got my buddy Kenny here helping again today. I've got Dominic as well, and then Emma freeloading up at the top of the stairs. And so basically, we got plenty of hands to do this. Obviously, the more hands, the better when it comes to putting an engine and a transmission in a car. So first step, we just gotta get the car down. This is gonna be a little bit of a trial and error type thing, but we'll see how we do. Okay, so I have the new engine in the Datsun, and I did do a first start. I didn't get a great video of the first start because my camera did die, but I did get some video on the phone of it starting, so I'll go ahead and put that in now. Now in that video, you'll hear that it didn't run super great. I think I'm having a bit of a timing issue. I'm not sure if it's the distributor. I'm not sure if it's fuel injection system or the tune or maybe my fuel pump or what. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end this video here, and in the next video, we're gonna try to diagnose that issue and hopefully drive the car on the road. But we have the engine in, it is running. That is a huge step for this car. It is running better. It's not misfiring. It's just kind of not idling very well. So it could be my IAC, but again, we'll diagnose it in the next video, and hopefully I will have an answer by that video as well. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.